What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be making some ribeye steaks, and we're going to be making some asparagus with bacon, and we're going to have some potatoes. So here go the ribeyes, nice and thick. Got the asparagus. It's a lot of them. We're going to wrap these in bacon. I'm going to try to show every process, but it's kind of hard being a one-man team. And then I just got the little potato company. Probably gonna cut these in half and throw them in a skillet and then put them in the oven. We'll wait till we get to that part. So I immediately got stressed. I noticed my hair was messed up. And then I'm looking around just seeing how hard this is actually gonna be. Stressed. Anyway, hope you like it. So here I got the asparagus. Just get those out. Get them nice and rinsed. Just start breaking them things apart. It doesn't take much. All you gotta do is bend them, and they break exactly where the weak and the strong parts are, the juicy parts. As you can see. Onto the meat. Yeah, this steak had a nice marble. This actually came from Sam's. And trust me guys, the sink has been washed. It gets washed every round. You see that scrub daddy in the other side. Got the potatoes. Definitely gonna rinse these off. This brand actually does good at cleaning them themselves, but just to make sure, they grow in the dirt. Add a little salt, put some water in it so they don't brown, and on to seasoning the steak.
Sorry.
Add a little bit of oil. Just pepper and salt and a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit. Kind of went heavy on the salt because these are thick. Italian seasoning, kosher salt, then some garlic powder as well. And then you just oil them down and just, yeah, my cat, yeah.
Your granny just let you do what you want to.
Yeah. I guarantee you my house is just as clean as somebody without animals just because of the things that a cat does. I did get him off the counter though. Add the little oil and stir it up. It's considered a binding agent, just make sure those seasonings stick. Using some pepper jack cheese and the bacon for the asparagus. Scrumdiddlyumptious. I do split the squares in half. And you can do a fourth as well. Well, I want some of these now. oil the pan. Just kind of spread these out as evenly as possible. Chopping up some onion for the potatoes. Gonna oil the pan down. Get it nice and coated. Some people probably don't do this, but this is something I do. I will say there was a lot of oil. Making a little drink. And you gotta have it with some simply lemonade. And it just turns out to be so good. Colorful drink is pretty good. Looks like pink lemonade, which is what the Pink Whitney is, but yeah. Lay the steaks. Try to do it slower than what I just did, so it's just evenly. Yeah, like that one. Let those cook 5 minutes per side. Put these in for just about 15 minutes or more, depending on the bacon. Oh, at 400. Flipping these over. Beautiful sear. Did drain some of the excess grease just because it was a lot, because I really put too much oil. But add your butter, you gotta throw some rosemary in there too. Throw you a lemon, a good one. You're gonna cook that for 5 more minutes. Coating it with the juices. I do flip mine multiple times just to make sure I'm getting the flavor on both sides. Some people don't do that, but I do. Perfecto. Alright, so it's done. We got the food ready. It looks amazing. try a bite of this. Steak is so good. Potatoes. We could use a little bit more salt, but it's pretty good. It's almost got a sweet, savory taste to it. I love these. You don't have to season as much just because the bacon adds flavor to it. Salt and fat, you know. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you want to see me cook more food, just comment below. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Just comment and tell me what you want to see. I like to cook. Let's see what comes of it. Thank you.